Hello everyone and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap for Friday, April the 17th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions you may have for me, you can use this email address right here. This is the link for our free room, 100% free. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our free trading room. The room is open Monday to Friday between 9 a.m. and 3 p.m. Eastern Time. I am sharing my screen live on the mic. In the link you're getting, you will see a promo code for 15% off either the first month only or the entire year of a Trade Idea subscription. You will also see a link for the next test drive, the more or less official link. It does start on May the 11th and runs to May the 22nd. That is 10 trading days. You'll actually have 2 weekends plus the 10 trading days to try out our program. For $8.99, you'll have access to our premium service. Also open to those of you who have our standard service and you want to upgrade for those 10 trading days to our premium service. So if you fill out the form right now, basically what you're doing is you're pre-registering, all right? So please don't ask our support people, ask them, well, where's my data? It doesn't actually start until May the 11th, but you're just pre-registering today. Okay, so let's see what happened with me today. So a couple of nice ones from the AI actually. This was sort of an interesting one, this CUTR. There was the alert, I believe, 1127. And this is a stock that did a financing, and the financing was at 1050. But notice that, it was still quite above the financing price in the pre-market. And I was saying in the room, I wonder if at some point will it start to drift down towards that financing price. Well, it did finally do it. It got down to 10.35 again, and it's popped up. But the AI took the trade at 11.27. And so if you'd taken that trade right there, you would have had a pull up there. So, I always say, at the time, after the alert, 11.27, it did get down to 10.55, right to that financing price. That's the area that, you probably would think, well, maybe it's going to bounce there, considering it was already way above it in the pre-market. So anyway, that was a nice trade. 11.27 down to 10.50. I actually got into it just underneath the whole number at 11, and I sold out most in this area here. Okay, so it was a fairly quick trade, nice percentage gain and all of that. Not very much more happening for me. I did take the Schlumberger trade, SLB, but really it was just kind of a scalp trade, chopping all around. This is an energy play also an earnings play, but it just really didn't get going one direction or the other. It's funny because the market, of course, opened way higher, after that news briefing yesterday, talking about opening some states, one at a time, fairly soon, what they call their step 1, step 2, step 3, or level 1, level 2, level 3. So this obviously gave some hope to the market, And so the market now faded a little bit, but it is, it's kind of just really a little bit, it's kind of directionless right now. Just one moment, please. Sorry about that. So not really that exciting. Yes, the market, I shouldn't say it like that because the market at one point was up 600 and then it was up only 300. So we have had the swings, but I just haven't seen from my watch list, I haven't seen some, really, really nice trending stocks. We've seen a lot of stocks that have actually done this, which is, it can be a little bit more difficult to trade. The other nice one from the AI today was SGRY. That is one that I, absolutely would have liked to have seen. Would I like to have traded it because it's right in the price range that I like with the AI. Problem is, I just kind of missed it. I didn't see it in time, and I was doing a couple other things before I actually saw it. But a nice move, 855 all the way up to 966, so a dollar move. On a $8 stock, tremendous percentage increase. This was also showing up in my Momo up all day long too, from almost, that's the opening candle, almost right from the get-go. So a couple of nice ones from the AI, not that much activity, and a couple of nice ones from my watch list. But again, I didn't really trade that much, which has kind of been the way it's been for me for the last 3 or 4 days, not trading that much. And we'll see what happens next week. Next week, AA Alcoa releases earnings, and that for me signifies the start of earnings week or the earnings season. That happens on April 22nd, which is Wednesday. So Wednesday after hours. So that kind of starts the earnings season. I think there'll be about 500 companies releasing earnings next week. And then for the following 2 to 3 weeks after that, there'll be anywhere from 1,000 to 1,800 companies a week releasing earnings. So we'll have a lot of activity with earnings season. And I'm sure my watch list is going to probably have a lot of better trending plays than we've seen maybe in the last couple of days. So anyway, I want to wrap this up, get back into the trading room. So if you have any questions for me, you can use this email address. This is the link for the free room, and the room will be open 9 o'clock Monday morning. I hope to see you then. Bye-bye.